Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to track your plant care schedule with the fantastic tool Airtable. Let's start off by creating an account on Airtable. If you haven't already, it's free and easy, just follow the prompts. The reason we do this is because Airtable is a cloud-based application that allows us to store, manage, and track our plant care schedule seamlessly. Having signed up, we now move on to creating a new base by clicking on Add a Base and selecting Start from Scratch. Name it something like Plant Care Schedule. Now this is where the magic happens. Airtable allows us to create a customizable database perfect for our plant care needs. Next up, let's add some fields. Click on Plus Add Field. Add fields such as plant name, watering frequency, last watered date, next watering date, and notes. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our database specifically for our plant care needs, ensuring we don't miss any important details. Now that we've done that, let's populate our database. Click on the first cell under Plant Name and type in the name of your plant. Repeat this process for the other fields. The reason we do this is to create a comprehensive list of our plant care tasks. Once all your plants are listed in Airtable, click on the View option and select Calendar from the drop-down menu. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is converting your data into a calendar view. This is crucial because it allows us to visually track our plant care schedule, making it easier to keep up with watering and other care tasks. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional plant care schedule on Airtable. Remember to regularly update your base with the most recent dates and tasks. In conclusion, using Airtable for your plant care schedule is a game changer. It's a handy tool that can keep you organized and ensure your plants remain healthy and thriving. Thanks for joining us today, and happy plant caring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.